Silvano Handyman.
Repair of Samsung Topload automatic washing machine. Problem: grounded body and water leak. A washing machine not draining is one of the most common problems we encounter. It can be caused by one of the following. The drain hose or pump is clogged with a small item of clothing, residual gunk or other debris. The washer is malfunctioning and not engaging the drain or spin cycle properly. A pump can fail in two ways, mechanically and electrically. A mechanical failure can be caused by a foreign object caught in the pump, or direct damage to a pump component, such as the impeller, which can cause the washer to not drain. If nothing is clogging the washing machine drain hose or pump, the pump could be shot. In most cases, you'll hear noise from a bad pump, and it'll start to leak. Busted drain motor. Replacement of new drain motor. For home service, text or call 0933 410 0304. Like and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Share. Silvano Handyman. Happy to serve you.